I greet you all. Today I'm going to update you about Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs are planning to significant push to sign Pyramid 30-year-old forward, valued 1.5 million, as their primary targets for the winter 2025 transfer window. Kaizer Chiefs has prioritizing reinforcing the striker position because they believe the team has no striker despite signing Maurice. Kaizer Chiefs needs player with Mayela explosion style and one-on-one straight to compete Nabi style-making attack system. Mayela is contracted to Pyramid until 2026, has not responded to revenue offer, and the Pyramid are likely to negotiate for contract revenue because Mayele is a wanted man in Asia and other countries. Al Ahly are interested on signing him. Kaizer Chiefs to make an often bid. For the best Kaizer Chiefs news, kindly subscribe to my channel so I can update you.